door.
Open the door. No, I don't want to get hit by hail.
What in the hell? Listen to it. That's dangerous, huh?
Imagine if that was fire.
Oh yeah, you know, right? Let's stop and do a new video. Look how big the hail is.
That is huge. Did you hear that?
Damn, my bed's gonna get wet.
Your bed's gonna get wet?
Yes, I leave the window open.
Yeah.
Good thing I don't have a car.
Ooh.
He's running. Look at him. Where did I get him? Oh, I didn't get him on my phone.
What? I know, right? Hold on, anyone thirsty? You got some ice cubes?
All we need is the tequila.
I thought somebody was bringing something to the door and you guys open it, rock it, and this shit coming down.
I kind of want to go pick one up, but I don't want to get hit in the head.
You're gonna get hit in the head.
Let me pick up one. You don't be afraid. Come on. I'm a fish.
Cool.
He's like no ice cube, man. Real. Look. It's like real ice cube.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's
That
another.
hurts. Touch it.
Yeah.
Touch it.
It comes down and
Yeah. That's like somebody throwing ice cubes at you.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, like real ice cube. Wow.
Taste it.
Look, she getting red ass. Look, look.
Crazy? These people must be crazy.
YouTube it.
Can you imagine them planes?
Oh, yeah. Well, they try to fly above it.
Yeah, they can fly above it.
Oh.